In this video, we are going to stream video from 3 cameras connected to the drone engage system, and it is running on Raspberry Pi 4 on the same board Arduino Pilot is running. You can use Arduino Pilot Opal board, so you use the same board, or you can use Bigsock, you can use Cube, you can use Opal board running on a separate board. But in this video, we are going to focus on the video streaming capability of Drone Engage. Let's start. It is the demo. Now we will connect to Drone Engage website. I'm connecting via internet. I'm now running Mission Planner. Here I select video streaming. As we can see, there are 3 cameras. I will select the first one. Here it is, the camera, the first camera, the second camera, and the third camera. They are streaming simultaneously, by the way. If you select the different tabs, you will find the video is up and running. They are streaming simultaneously, and as we can see, the board Arduino Pilot itself is running on the same board. Now I will open a different tab and a third tab. I will connect to the website Drone Engage. We are here connecting again via internet. The drone is connected to Drone Engage via internet Drone Engage website, and I'm accessing Drone Engage client, web client. I select a different camera for each tab so that we can see that the 3 videos are working at the same time. I'm trying to drag the window and resize it so that we can see the cameras working together. Okay, now I'm moving the quad, I'm moving the chair the quad sitting on, and as you can see, the 3 cameras are streaming together. Thank you for watching this video.